Hello guys and welcome to a new brand tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer your money from the Neteller application to your PayPal account. So now the first thing that I want you to do now is to access to your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Edge or anything, and then you will go to this neteller.com website and accept the cookies or reject them. So let's just reject all the cookies, and basically you will need to join with Neteller. So basically you are going to sign in if you have already an account, so just sign in, or otherwise you can just sign up, and you can do this by adding your personal informations, and then you will need to click on the register. So basically by that you will be able to create account, and after that you will need to log into this account that you have just created and click log in, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do now is to deposit some money into your balance, and basically to do so you need just to click to money in, click on deposit, you choose the card that you want, and you add the amount of money that you want to deposit to your wallet. After that, all you need to do is to withdraw your money to the credit card that is linked to your PayPal account, and basically you will have the list of your credit card here. I just don't have any balance here in my wallet. So basically you will have your linked cards here, and then you will choose the card that is already linked with your PayPal. You withdraw your money to it, and then you will go to your PayPal account, and then you will add the money from the credit card and take it to the PayPal account, and you will have your money transferred from Neteller to your PayPal account successfully. So basically this is the method how to do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.